So number 3 is really similar to number 2, which is why I haven't scrolled past it yet, because they are still talking lengths. But unlike number 2, where I knew that these two sections were the same length because they had those marks, I knew it was the midpoint, I don't have that on number 3. But I do have that the whole length from A to C has a length of 27. So I can say that maybe this part's 20 and this part's 7. Or maybe this part's 1 and this is 26. But regardless, they're going to total to 27. So I'm going to start with the names of things. And I'm going to know that whatever this part is, whether it's 20 or 26 or 5 or anything, whatever AB is, I can add on this other part, whatever BC is. And I know it's going to equal 27. I know it's going to equal AC's length. So that's not using the definition of midpoint. I don't have a midpoint. I am just saying I'm going to add my segments. The name of that was segment addition. And then segment addition postulate, and then we're going to use our substitution property. So again, remember, substitution is where you just get rid of all those names and plug in some numbers. So instead of AB, I know that that is 10x plus 5. Instead of BC, I know it's 2x plus 21, and I wrote too big, but I know it's going to equal 27. So unlike the last problem, now I have x's and some numbers on the same side of the equal sign. I'm going to use combining like terms. You could also call that simplify. But 10x and 2x gives me 12x's. 5 and 21 makes 26. And it's still equal to 27. So to try and get x by itself, I am going to move that 26. It's a positive, so I will be using the subtraction property of equality. And I'm going to be lazy and just put POE. But I'm subtracting to both sides of the equal sign. So 12x is left here. 27 minus 26 is a 1. This is a problem that I've literally meant to change every single year. I think I've taught geometry, and I never do. The problem's weird here at the end. To get x by itself, you will need to divide by 12 using the division property of equality. That in itself is not weird, but 1 does not divide nicely by 12. So I am going to get x by itself. You could say that it is equal to 1/12. If you tried to put that in your calculator, you would have gotten a non-terminating decimal. So it's about 0.08333333333333, which is why I meant to change it. It would be nice if we didn't get a decimal or fraction. Most of the ones we give you will turn out to be nice, pretty terminating numbers.